Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily upload high quality videos on Instagram in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I'm on my iPhone, you can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So first of all, open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile on the bottom right and three lines on the top right to head over to the menu. And once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on settings and privacy. And once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. And right in your app and media section, you'll be able to find an option of media quality. Tap on that and you will be able to find three options on this page. The second one is upload at highest quality. Make sure that this option is turned on. It says always upload the highest quality photos, videos, even if uploading takes longer. And uh, the last option is disable HDR video playback, and you can either turn it on or turn it off. I have turned it off and still my videos being uploaded at the highest quality. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank